Jer, pag yung paa mo, pag gumanto to ha, pag gumanyan yung paa mo, nasira yun.
Uy, Kuya DJ, please wag.
Sana hindi matanggal. Kinakabahan ako matanggal yung check. Okay, parang check.
Will this, someone hit this? No?
I just stuck my feet. Okay, can we put our hands up? Yeah. But whatever you do, don't grab your hand, okay? Just hang this.
I can't.
Bawal grab. Oh, baka man.
Saan ako gagrab? Kailangan ko may kagrab. Ah! No freaking way.
Tama yung sinabi ko sa'yo, DJ. Stretch nila.
God, please. Shit! Saan ako hawak ko yung DJ?
Man!
Oh my God!
Wala pa.
Please! Hindi, kasi saan ako hawak? Okay. Please, ayaw ko mabalian ng buto.
Woo! Kasi yung camera. Kasi yung camera.
Ayun.
Hindi si Daddy.
Tiffany, huwag kang makulit. Tumahimik ka. Kanya-kanyang buhay na to ngayon.
Oh, shit! DJ, please, wag. Bigat na lang ako.
Wala akong pakialaman.
You guys ready?
Ready!
Anyways, back. Ano sabi? Think up. Eyes open. Umi-echo! Sure!
Oh, shit! Thank you, Lord. Alam mo, magbibiglain na lang tayo dito.
Shock sabi!
Bibiglain na lang tayo!
Put your head back, open your... Oh,
Oh, shit!
wala mo naman! 2, 3.
Wag! Okay, ayoko magulat yung puso ko. Ayun! Joke. Mas ang taas. Okay.
Pwede tayo bumaba? Binababa na nila,
Tama na.
Kaya DJ, please, wag.
Mucho pa.
Ako na rin. Ako nakapigat na whole time.
Woo!
We survived it!
Kaso yun lang.
Hindi yun.
Apple ko, kala ko tataas pa ulit.
Hindi na, no?
Yun na pala yun. Yun na yung $40.
Come on, Sisi.
Ay, siya yung susunod. We thought we'll go back again.
You can close your eyes now, yeah. See how you look, yeah?
Sige. How's that? You didn't say go. You just said open your...
Good one.
Thank you.
You guys are scary movies? Watching one right now. We're watching one right now.